Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Packr travel app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Packr Travel is a smart trip planning app designed to simplify travel preparation. It automatically generates personalized packing lists based on your destination, weather, and trip duration, helping travelers avoid overpacking or forgetting essentials. The app also offers itinerary planning, travel tips, and the ability to share lists with companions, making it convenient for solo travelers as well as groups. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Packr Travel's automation features, intuitive design, and time-saving benefits. The weather-based packing suggestions are especially helpful, and the ability to customize lists ensures flexibility for different types of trips. Travelers also like the collaboration feature, which allows friends and family to stay on the same page while planning. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users mention occasional syncing issues and limited offline functionality, which can be inconvenient in areas with poor internet connectivity. Others feel that while the app is great for basics, it lacks deeper integration with booking platforms or advanced itinerary tools. Additionally, certain premium features require a subscription, which may not appeal to casual users. In summary, the Packr Travel app may be worth using if you want an easy, automated way to prepare packing lists and organize trip essentials. However, if you're looking for a complete travel management solution with advanced booking or offline features, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.